I hope you are doing well. I made a baby blanket and pillow. In this video, I explained how you can make a baby blanket. If you want me to explain how to pillow is made, you could write in the comments. By the way, my speaking is not very good. I'm also trying to improve my English level with these videos. You can support me by liking and subscribing. I made a baby blanket. This blanket is very different for me because I didn't use any material. I made this with just my hands. And then this blanket very soft, very comfortable. So I tell you, I use this yarn. This yarn is antibacterial and dust free. First stitch. If first stitch close, open it. If first stitch open, we can go. Let's start. Stitch, look up. Count the 50 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stitches, look up, and then 51st stitch. Take 50 stitch and 51st stitch, cross the stitches, and next stitch, pass, and then the other stitch, pass. If we going to right side, left stitch, tap on the other stitch, and then pass stitch, and then pass stitch. If we are going to left side, right stitch, tap on. Now we are going to right side, left stitch, tap on the other stitch, and then pass the stitch, pass the stitch. Take 2 stitch, cross, pass, and then pass the stitch. Take 2 stitch. We are going to right side, the left one, tap on, and then pass, and then pass. We are going to this method. The last stitches, cross, pass, and pass. Next stitches. The last stitch don't knit, and first row is done. In second row, we are going to left side, and right stitch top on. Top on. Next stitch pass. And we are going to left side, right one, top on. And then pass and pass. Go on. On the second row, stitches looks up, stitches look up, the last stitch don't knit, and we are starting third row, first stitch, second stitch, first stitch, don't knit, pass, in the second stitch. Yes. We are going to right side, so left one, top on the other, and pass, and stitch look up, and then pass. Yes. Let's go. A ball of Alize Puffy finished. I have to add new ball and the last stitch open and new ball, first stitch open it. Knitting this baby blanket very easy and very funny. This experience is very different for me. Last row, the last stitch, top on the other, cross, then next stitch, pass this stitch, pass, next stitch, pass the other, next stitch, pass the other, next stitch, pass to the other stitch, next stitch, pass to the other stitch, stitch, pass to the other stitch. I will finish with this method. I cut this point and I cut this point, I cut this point. I will hit this. I pass this point. I will pass this point. I will pass this point. I will pass this point. And I knot. 1, 2. Yes, that's finished. I will go on and I will finish. That's right.